Hey guys, and welcome back to the garage. So we are going to be doing multiple more videos as far as the garage itself goes. So we are now going to be adding a TV to the wall. I've always wanted a TV in my garage. Let's jump into this very quick garage edition here starting now. Taped off right here so that way I can get it exactly in the middle. So I did the middle point as far as my toolbox, which is like right here. I did the bottom markings as far as for the mount for the TV, since it is a little lower than not so much in the center of the TV. So that way it's gonna fit right within the spectrum. And then also having it be pretty much right the top of my cabinet, because I will be doing the same cabinet and putting it right here, right next to it. So that way we'll have 2 and 2. The TV will be perfectly up like that. And then I will run just those little cable covers. So what I like to do as far as like the cable covers go, so I'll put that to run the power, Ethernet, and HDMI through there. And what I also do is I use the same paint that I used for the garage walls. So I used Amazing Gray for that. So I will paint that strip so that way it blends perfectly with it, and it's gonna look really clean, like a nice clean install. So it's just a matter of doing that, and soon get the TV up. Here's the finished product, how it looks in the garage. So it's just a TCL TV, so that way you have your built-in Netflix, Prime, Sling, Pandora, YouTube, of course. That way I can watch DIYs or any other YouTube vids out here. But also, with my kids and stuff like that, if they're out here hanging out in the garage, to watch stuff as well. So it has a dual purpose. I still have to run the HDMI through the cable covering and also my Ethernet cord. So the cable covers come in white, so I paint matched it to match the same color on the wall. Makes it for a clean install. The mount goes pretty far out. It will go out to about the end of this cabinet, and it will swivel quite a ways actually. So it does perfect as far as the location of it in the garage and stuff like that. But it is a 50-inch TV. Didn't want to spend too much, of course, just because it's a garage TV and stuff like that. But I like it. It looks great, and I'm going to have multiple uses of it here in the garage. Hey guys, well that does it for today. So hung the 50-inch TV in the garage. It's making it look that much better than what I had before. Streaming YouTube videos, streaming music, anything for the kids to watch. It's all right here, as I like to spend a lot of time here out in the garage. If I need to look at any DIY videos, I can do so as that. And like I said, it's just that nice added touch for an inexpensive price too. So I'm gonna put the direct link for the TV down in the description box below. Like I said, great value for like a garage type of TV. All right guys, big thumbs up on the video. Check out the other garage videos that I have, other informational DIY videos for your BMW. Thanks, and I hope you have a great start to your week. Take care.